All right, guys, you can see here this is my affiliate link which I've earned so far. You can see my commissions. You can see first commission here, which is 2,800 naira, and then you can see 316, 200, 2,400, and then 540. You can see 4,440. You can see 2,220, 200, and then 2,700. These are my commissions and from this affiliate link. You can see here this is a clicks, and you can see sign ups, and then the conversions rate percent. You can see, so I'm going to refresh this so that you guys will see it. It shouldn't be as if it's a screenshot or anything video. You can see this is available balance, which I can be able to withdraw. I can click request withdraw here, right, and then I can withdraw my money. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to start your affiliate program using this particular website. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the registration button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for being alongside with me right away from the beginning at this moment. And please, if you like my video, please thumbs me up, and if you have any problem, you can drop it in the comment section below. So without wasting much of our time, let me take you guys straight to the video on how we're going to do this and then start making money on the affiliate program. This money I've made this money within 3 days. I've made this money, you understand? So you can see here how much I've made so far on this particular program, right? So let's move to the video. So right now here, where I'm going to record it on my system directly so that you guys will see it, and then I'll take you guys really how you're going to do this. And all I need from you guys is just to watch the video from the beginning to the end in order to grab this on start making money online using affiliate programs. You understand? So right now here you can see I've earlier mentioned, you can see these are the link over here, and then you copy it and paste on other site and start making money on this particular program. So I'm going to take you guys video step by step on how I actually achieve this. So right now here, this is a new website hosting company right now here in Nigeria here. So I actually use the affiliate program link in order to make money with this. So I'm going to take you guys really the strategies on how I to make such amount of money within 2 days on this particular website. I believe they have paid the money already into my account, but then so right now here, let me go to my YouTube. I'll go to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry, it's loading. My network is a kind of a little bad like that, but I believe we're going to do this. Or LAWZTECH, you can search LAWZTECH one. Here is my channel. So as I earlier mentioned, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online and creating some website as well. So it is my channel. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click the subscription button here and turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. So right here, I'm going to show you guys what I do on this program before I started making money on it. So let's go to, let me copy my affiliate link here. You can see here is my affiliate link. You can see here, copy it here, copy it here, and then let's go to any of the email that I haven't registered on this link, so that I will do it step by step so that you guys should see it. So first of all, I'm going to paste this link here and then hit enter. This is my affiliate link. I've clicked it already, and then I have to sign up, get started. I have to sign up, and then create an account. You can see, so right now here I've clicked the link, and then I'm going to register here or write my name here. Sorry, let me do it again. Once you copy this link where you're going to paste it, once the person click the link, the person is going to sign up. And once you click on sign up, that means you have automatically refer someone on this particular website. And the person, once the person purchase any hosting, either starter plan or basic plan or pro plan or business plan, each of any plan that the person purchase, you're going to get your own percentage from it. You understand? So this is all about this program, but then I'm going to take you guys really how I actually achieved this, on how I got this money from this. Because by you registering on this particular website, and then at the end of the day, where are you going to gather the traffic or people that are interested on web hosting? So where are you going to get them? This is the first question you need to ask yourself. So that is the reason why I'm creating, like, I'm going to record this video and take you guys really how I actually achieved this. So what you need to do is you have to drive traffic from different places for those who are ready to host, like hosting their to host their website, for developers, for programmers, for website builders that can be able to host website, and then you advertise this link to them so that they will purchase hosting from this particular website using your own affiliate link. So right now here, once you press the link, and then here is a register button, and click here, register button, sorry, and then create an account. Write the account name, or where I'll be like, let me write my name. Let's say LAWZTECH. Last name Lawrence, and then email address. Let me check this email address. So I'm going to paste it here, and then phone number, and I don't know, I've used my own already. Let me see, 81302111. See, I think it's 9 already, right? A bit 10, I don't know, sure. Company name, street, lens, or let's say LAWZTECH Street, LAWZTECH Street, and then city, in Lagos, and then state, Lagos State, then postal code, a bit like Lagos State postal code. You have about how many of them here? You have different of them here. We'll copy it and paste it here in Nigeria, right? And then our currency is Naira, and then password, suggest password, and then register. I'm going to register. So it's loading. So right now here, I've created an account with them. So once you create your account, so first of all, you have to go to your affiliate link, and then activate affiliate link. Get paid for referring customers to us. Activate your affiliate account and start earning money today. We pay commissions for every sign up that comes via your custom sign up link. We track the visitors you refer to us using cookies, so users you refer don't have to purchase instantly for you to receive your commissions. Cookies last for up to 90 days following the initial visit. If you would like to find out more, please contact us. So you click on activate it. So once you click on activate, so you can see here they have numerous link right here. You can see they have this is for homepage, web hosting, we have reseller hosting, and then we have WordPress hosting link, we have Premier hosting, lifetime hosting, and then domain registration, domain transfer, and then website builder. You can see here they have different banners here, discount 50%, and then we have great website starts with unlimited hosting. You can see here it has limited time. Also, you can see ultra fast web hosting in Nigeria. So for those who have their own website which they want to embed this banner on their website, it's still cool. You can copy this link and embed it on your own banner. But then on this case, I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to use the link personally on your home page. So what you're going to do, you have to copy it. So the only thing I did was that I actually created a video on how to get cheapest hosting on YouTube. I created a video like that and then I published it on YouTube. So from there, people started watching the video, like the hosting is not cost, let's check their hosting prices and see. Let's check on new to other new prices, other new hosting. You can see here the hosting is just here. First one here, starter plan, which is about 415 naira, and then basic plan, which is 1000 naira. Which other website hosting company are actually selling this basic plan about 2000 naira, and some are selling this starter plan about 1500 naira. And then you can see pro plan here, they have just only 1830 naira. But then other hosting companies providers are actually selling this particular plan at the rate of either 4000 naira, but then their plan is actually low. So what we're going to do is that you have to go and create a video on how to get free hosting website. Let's go to the YouTube and then check it and check the analysis on how people are looking for cheap hosting website, right? So it'll be like cheapest hosting provider in Nigeria. Okay, you can see here how to buy cheap hosting free domain name in Nigeria as low as 1000 naira. You can see here this video was created since 10 months ago. You can see here best cheap Nigerian web hosting. So far no one has ever done any video like that. I think mine is hidden, but it's same title I use, but mine is actually hidden. So right here you can see that it's low competition right now here on this website here. So what we're going to do is you create a video on how to get free cheap hosting website to explain and then compare it with the other site in order to explain it to your to your viewers, for those who are going to view your content, and then we actually go straight to purchase. And then from there, once you're done with a video and then you upload it and then paste your link in the description below, telling your viewers to follow the link in the description below to register and then pay and get your own cheapest hosting provider, just at least 450 naira. You understand? So you can see here, by you doing this, you're going to earn money from people will sign up using your link, and then you start making money from this affiliate program. And then one more thing again, what you're going to do is that you come to your Facebook here, you come to your Facebook. Oh, let's type Facebook. Let's log into Facebook. Let's log into Facebook and see what will happen, right? We have logged into Facebook, and then what you're going to do is you have to click on search, or click on search, and then be like website developer. Okay, you search for website developers, let's say in Nigeria, in Nigeria. Okay, you can see here this is a community. You can see this one about 99k members, and then another one here which is 116 members on. So you join these groups. Once they have accepted the group, and then you start posting your link on that comments or post. If they actually approve you, it's still fine. If they approve you, it's still fine. And but if they do not approve you, you can be commenting under someone's post. You comment it under someone's post, and then from there you refer people through using your link. So from here you can start making money, start getting people who can follow the link, and then genuine people that can be able to uh purchase any kind of hosting, any plan, and then you start making money. So this is how you can be able to make money on this particular program, which is Niger Web Hosts. As I earlier said, this is Niger Web Hosts.com. You can see, and then hit enter, and then sign up. But then, and I'm gonna drop my affiliate link under the description below. You can follow it up and then register. It's still fine, you understand? So actually I really appreciate you guys for watching the video from the beginning to the end, and do ensure to subscribe, click the subscription button, and if you like my video, please thumbs me up, and if you have any problem you can drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to attend to you, and then you can also contact me or follow me on my IG at LAWZTECH, and then we can discuss, we can follow each other as well. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. See you guys in another video.